Our world is adorned with an astonishing array of natural wonders. From the winding paths of mighty rivers to the towering majesty of mountains and the verdant embrace of ancient forests, these landscapes form a breathtaking tapestry of beauty. They are not merely scenic backdrops, they possess an immense and undeniable ecological significance. These vital ecosystems are fundamental to the planet's overall health and well-being. They provide essential services that sustain all life, acting as the very foundation of our existence. Clean water, breathable air, and fertile soil are gifts from these natural powerhouses. Beyond their immediate resources, these landscapes play a crucial role in regulating global climate patterns. They influence weather systems, moderate temperatures, and maintain the delicate balance of atmospheric gases. Their intricate processes are a testament to nature's profound wisdom. Furthermore, these diverse environments support a vast and intricate array of biodiversity. They are sanctuaries for countless species of plants, animals, and microorganisms, each playing a unique part in the grand web of life. Protecting these spaces means safeguarding the very fabric of our living world. Rivers are the arteries of our continents, ceaselessly carving paths through diverse terrains. They are dynamic forces, shaping landscapes and nurturing life as they journey from their sources to the sea. Their flow connects distant regions, carrying nutrients and sustaining ecosystems along their winding courses. The Amazon River stands as a titan among them, the world's largest by discharge volume. It snakes through the lush heart of the Amazon rainforest, a colossal serpent of water. This immense river system supports an unparalleled concentration of plant and animal life, a true global biodiversity hotspot. In stark contrast, the Nile River emerges as a historical artery of civilization. It flows through arid landscapes, a ribbon of life in the vastness of the desert. For millennia, the Nile has sustained life in the Egyptian desert, nurturing ancient cultures and modern populations alike. Across Asia, the Yangtze River in China serves as a crucial source of water and energy. It carves through dramatic gorges and fertile plains, a lifeline for millions. Its waters have powered development and agriculture, shaping the destiny of a nation. Beyond these iconic examples, rivers are universally essential for transportation, facilitating trade and movement across vast distances. They are crucial for agriculture, irrigating fields and providing the sustenance for human populations. Rivers are the very essence of life, flowing through the heart of our world. Mountains rise as majestic sentinels of the earth, providing dramatic backdrops to our planet's story. They are formidable formations, representing challenging environments that test the limits of life. Yet, within their rugged grandeur, they harbor incredible resilience and beauty. The Himalayas, a colossal range, are home to the world's highest peaks, including the awe-inspiring Mount Everest. This towering chain is a testament to the immense power of geological forces, a landscape sculpted by the collision of continents over eons. Their icy summits touch the sky, inspiring wonder and reverence. Stretching along the western coast of South America, the Andes Mountains form the longest continental mountain range in the world. They boast an astonishing diversity of ecosystems, from snow-capped peaks to vibrant cloud forests. This vast range is a cradle of unique species and ancient cultures. In North America, the Rocky Mountains offer stunning vistas and abundant wildlife. Their rugged peaks and pristine valleys provide endless opportunities for recreation and exploration. They are a symbol of untamed wilderness, inviting adventure and contemplation. Mountains play a crucial role in water storage, acting as natural reservoirs that feed rivers and streams. They contribute significantly to climate regulation, influencing atmospheric circulation and precipitation patterns. Furthermore, their isolated environments aid in the preservation of unique species, safeguarding biodiversity in their remote sanctuaries. Forests are vibrant, teeming with life, a symphony of growth and decay. They contribute significantly to the Earth's oxygen supply, earning them the rightful title of the planet's lungs. These verdant expanses are vital for the air we breathe and the climate we depend on. The Amazon rainforest stands as a global biodiversity hotspot, an unparalleled natural treasure. It is home to an estimated 10% of the world's known species, a living library of life. This vast, intricate ecosystem is a testament to nature's boundless creativity. Further north, the boreal forests of Canada and Russia form vast expanses of coniferous trees. These immense forests play a critical role in carbon sequestration, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. They are crucial allies in the fight against climate change. Along the Pacific Northwest, temperate rainforests feature towering redwoods and lush, emerald undergrowth. These ancient forests are a testament to the enduring power of nature, where life thrives in perpetual moisture. Their majestic trees stand as silent witnesses to centuries of growth. Generally, forests provide essential habitats for countless species, from microscopic organisms to apex predators. They regulate climate by influencing rainfall, temperature, and atmospheric composition. Ultimately, forests are essential for maintaining the planet's ecological balance, a cornerstone of global health. The preservation of these magnificent natural landscapes is not merely an option, it is a paramount global imperative. Their continued health and existence are inextricably linked to our own survival and well-being. We must recognize their intrinsic value and their vital role in sustaining life. However, these invaluable ecosystems face severe and escalating threats. Deforestation, driven by human expansion and resource extraction, diminishes their vital capacity. Pollution, from industrial waste to plastic debris, contaminates their pristine environments. Climate change, a pervasive global challenge, further exacerbates these pressures. Rising temperatures, altered precipitation patterns, and extreme weather events pose significant risks to their delicate health and the vital services they provide. The consequences of inaction are profound. These threats pose significant risks to their health and vital services, jeopardizing the very foundations of life on Earth. The loss of these landscapes would mean the loss of biodiversity, clean resources, and climate stability. The time for decisive action is now. Protecting these environments requires a concerted and unwavering global effort. This effort must encompass sustainable practices in all aspects of human activity, from agriculture to energy production. It demands robust conservation initiatives, establishing protected areas and restoring degraded lands. Safeguarding these natural wonders ensures their breathtaking beauty and immense ecological importance for future generations. It is our collective responsibility to act as stewards of this planet, preserving its living tapestry for all time. The legacy we leave depends on the choices we make today.